Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be another 3-minute planning video where I set up my hourly planner for the week and I answer one of the top planning questions that I will get. And I started to do this mainly because I have been planning the exact same way for the past 4 years, and I have so many videos out there that show you this exact setup, how I use it, how I'm using my sidebar, and all of the details. So if you're interested in my planner or any of the products that I am using, check out the description box. I will leave it there. But let's dive into today's question. Today's planner question is, why can't I use my planner consistently? So this is something that I will see every now and then in my comments or on Instagram, where you feel like you are unable to use your planner consistently. And it usually dives into 3 issues. Issue number 1 is you don't have a day and time to set up your planner. I like to set up my planner every Sunday at 3 p.m. But if I am unable to do Sunday, then I will do Monday at 9 a.m. Giving myself 2 options for when I'm going to set up my planner allows me to be able to use it and set it up consistently. Issue number 2 is you are setting up your planner, but you aren't checking it. So you have to have a daily time where you are going to look in and check in with your planner. So I like to check in with my planner 3 times throughout my day. In the morning, usually around 8 a.m. and then around lunchtime, I will check in. And then at the end of my work day or when I am preparing to go to bed, I will check in with my planner. And having those 3 times where I check in and just look at my planner and check different things off does help me to use it consistently and be able to know what is going on. And if you do have a consistent time when you are setting up and using your planner on a daily basis, then the 3rd issue that I have come across is actually adding all the details in your planner. Now, this was one of the biggest mistakes that I had when I started planning, is that I was trying to make my planner super pretty, really aesthetically pleasing, and really social media ready, because I wanted to take pictures for social media. And I wasn't writing all the details in my planner, and I wasn't really accurately using my planner because I wanted it to look pretty for YouTube or pretty for whatever. And it was actually causing me not to be able to use my planner the way that I needed to, or to be able to check things off and get things done. I would get things done and not want to check it off in my planner because I didn't want it to mess up the look of my planner. And I had to tell myself one day, just use your planner. Use it the way that you need to use it. And if it's pretty, great. If it's not pretty to someone else, that's okay too, because the entire purpose of our planner is to help us to stay organized. It is not for it to just look pretty. And once I let go of that thought, I was able to be way more consistent with my planner. So here is my final spread. Love how this week came out. Y'all make sure y'all leave more planner consistency tips in the comments below, and I will see you all in Wednesday's video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.